Check it out, guys. I have this Mitsubishi Lancer. I'm having issues with the idle, high idle. Right now I'm on the stop sign and I'm getting about 2,000 RPM. And I've been actually checking the idle control valve, the throttle body and all that good stuff, but nothing fixes the issue. Something that I noticed when I'm in the car, if I pull the gas pedal back, the idle will go down. Will go down where it's supposed to look. So I'm gonna put my foot underneath it. I'm gonna pull back towards me and look at the idle going down all the way to 1,000 RPMs. See, so now it's completely down to 900 to 1,000 RPMs, the way it should be. This is telling me the either something on the throttle body is getting stuck, or the cable for the gas for the throttle is getting stuck.